I salute Pakistan Army. You're really great. I appreciate you because you depends your country. But the most thing you give the message to all of the world because to peace when you catch the Indian Army, you give treatment and the cold weather you give special coffee. He was also impressed from Pakistan Army. I really appreciate you. Please keep it up. Pakistan always fight for peace from beginning, from till now. So may Allah bless you, Pakistan, and Pak Army also. And Captain, please keep it up. Just only think like that for peace.